NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, has passed the pre-launch test, which seems to clear the way for its launch. There is good news for scientists and astronomers doing space research. The world's largest and most powerful space telescope has passed a special pre-launch test. Recently, the James Webb Space Telescope of NASA has closed its giant gold mirror for the last time on Earth. This paves the way for its launch. This is believed to be a major step towards the establishment of the nearly $10 billion James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, observatory. Due to this, the possibility of its launch, which has been postponed several times at the end of this year, has increased. The Webb telescope, a 6.5-meter large mirror telescope, was ordered to spread completely, after which he was again told to lock himself in place and succeed. This was the final test for the 16 lakh kilometers journey of the Webb telescope, JWST. Now it is ready to find answers to many questions like the origin of the universe. Scott Willoughby of Northrop Grumman, who designed the telescope, said that it was like making a 50-foot-long switch clock to prepare it in a vacuum at a temperature of -240 degrees Celsius, 4 times higher than the moon, to be established at a distance. Willoughby was speaking at the company's spaceport in Redondo Beach, California, from where the telescope, JWST, would be taken to French Guiana to be launched. Here the telescope will be launched on 31 October by means of the Ariane 5 rocket. The main mirror of the Webb, mirror of the telescope, is made of 18 octagonal pieces of gold, which have a very thin layer of gold, which will improve its infrared light. The mirror of the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, will fly off into space, staying inside a 5-meter rocket, like a piece of origami artwork. After this, it will bring every part of the mirror to its position using 132 operators and motor. All these mirrors will act as a mirror like a large mirror of telescope, allowing the telescope to reach far and explore deep space. Scientists want to use this telescope to look at events dating back to 13.5 billion years ago, when stars and galaxies were first created. It was only a few million years after the Big Bang event. For this, scientists needed a powerful infrared telescope that could identify infrared radiation coming from a distant universe. Currently, the Hubble telescope has only limited ability to detect infrared distortion. Apart from this, the Webb telescope, JWST, will also be helpful in finding exoplanets that have the possibility of compatibility with life. So far, more than 4,000 outgroups have been discovered, but not much information has been found about them. The Webb telescope can fill this gap. Scientists from 44 countries around the world will be able to use this telescope, with which they will also be able to study the black hole who live in the center of the galaxy.
We hope this video has given you some insight and maybe inspired you. If you liked the video, give it your thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you have not already done so. Click on the bell to always receive notifications about new videos. Thanks for watching Infinity Insight.